Hi there, this is an installation clip for R on a Mac using the instructions at tilburgsciencehub.com. So the first thing that I'll do is I'll browse to tilburgsciencehub.com, select software setup and R, and follow the links. Note the documentation may have been updated in the meantime. So the first thing I'll do is I'll open the R website and download R for Mac. Usually you choose the latest version, and I will use the most recent version up here. I think that should work fine. Once the download is completed, I can proceed to install R. You'll see the installer on the screen, and you can just go ahead, typically accepting the default option. After verifying with my password, I can go ahead with the installation. Now, let me proceed with installing RStudio. I'll navigate back to tilburgsciencehub.com and scroll down to install RStudio and install the most recent version from the RStudio website. RStudio is a great interface, and I recommend you to download the free open source licensed RStudio desktop. Just clicking on download and selecting the most recent version for your operating system. Once the file is downloaded, the installation procedure starts. So what I'll do is I'll open the RStudio package and install RStudio by dragging it to my applications folder. I can verify my installation worked by searching for RStudio in my applications. I'll get a warning message that RStudio is downloaded, and I just can click on open. Further, I'm being asked whether I want to install Git, so that's a decent thing, and I'm happy to install Git as well, because I'll be using this anyways. Git is a versioning software that allows me to keep track of my changes that I make to my source code. Still takes some time for the installation to finish. While the installation of Git is still proceeding, I can try whether R is also callable from the terminal. By opening the terminal with the launchpad and typing R. And over here, you already see that R has been, starting up through the command line interface by just typing R. If you write quit, open bracket and close bracket, and choose N for not to save, you're exiting R as well. So that looks all good. As a final step, there's a recommendation on the page to install a couple of packages, which I will now do. I'll just copy paste the entire code and paste it to R, either in the terminal window if R is still on, so I would paste it here, or in the RStudio interface. That will take a while, but should work without a problem. If you're being prompted whether you want to install from sources the packages which need compilation, the fastest way is actually to choose no. That means outdated packages will be installed, but typically that's not a problem, and it will be much faster, and you are less likely to run into problems. Right now, my installation is finished, and it exited without error code. So that was my quick clip on installing R and RStudio on a Mac, and we can close all applications without saving anything. So thanks for watching.